in the camera. I'm not playing with you. I'm really not playing with you.
Matt, come on. Matt!
Get her inside. Do this way. Yo, let's do this way. Get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Don't push me.
Don't touch me!
Don't touch me.
Yeah, dude, because you're touching me!
Don't touch him!
Officer, can I get some help? Yeah, well, he's pushing me and everything. He's being aggressive with me. I haven't done anything. My hands are up. Excuse me, my hands are up.
Okay, let's go inside.
I just asked him not to have a camera on, and that was it.
Okay, let's go inside.
I have my hands up and he pushes me? Now, if I punched him in the face, now I would have been in trouble, right?
Come on, let's go inside.
Just listen to him. Just come on.
Get me on camera. I don't care. If you're still out here, I'm going to punch you. You're all bunched up. So down. Dude, come on. Get out of here.